Hello everyone, in front of me is FG in G7 feet, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your contact list, then select the contact that you want to personalize and mark edit. Here click on profile picture, and as you can see you can either take a photo or select something from your gallery. Let me choose for example this one. Now customize it however you like. Tap on OK and click on Save. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.